how to boost and promote a YouTube video with Google Ads in under 5 minutes. In this video, I want to show you exactly how you can use Google's new promotion feature that's currently in beta to go ahead and boost your impressions, your video reach, and overall increase your viewers and subscribers for a YouTube video that you have public. So let me show you exactly how to do this. Okay, so the first thing that you're going to want to do is just go to your YouTube channel. This is just one of my other YouTube channel accounts that I'm going to use for demonstration purposes on how to actually connect your Google Ads account to your YouTube account, which we're going to do in a moment here. So at this point, what you're going to do is open up the settings here and then go to your YouTube studio for your Google YouTube account. Now, once you're here in this section, next thing you're gonna wanna do is just click on content. And then you're gonna see right here under this promotions tab, this new beta feature, click on this and it's gonna bring you to a page that looks like this. It's gonna say promote your channel and business on YouTube. So in addition to your regular channel growth, promotions can get your videos in front of new audiences. So subscribers and watch time earned through promotions do not contribute towards your YouTube partner program eligibility. Just something to note there. So what you can do to get started is just click right here, and then you said your video verification isn't available. And so if you haven't verified your identity yet, you're gonna need to go through and do this step right here. Okay, awesome. Now, once you've gone ahead and verified your ID, you can proceed to the next steps, which is gonna be connecting your Google Ad account to your YouTube account. Now, if you haven't already created a Google Ad account, you're gonna need to go into Google Ads, just search for Google Ads, and go ahead and create your ad account under the same Google ID that you have your YouTube account created under. If your Google Ad account isn't under the same Google Ad ID or Google email address as your YouTube account, then go ahead and invite your Google account that is connected to your YouTube account to your Google Ad account, and then it will show up when you go ahead and select your Google Ad account to connect to your YouTube. Once you're in this feature, I am now able to promote any videos that I want. As you can see here, I have a couple videos that I'm actively promoting, and I've spent a little bit of money already here. I've spent $35 and $37 to generate, as you can see here, 21,000 impressions, 84 views, and 11 total subscribers for this video. So a pretty decent ROI here actually on subscriber rate. And I've tested this against actually creating YouTube ads inside of the Google Ad account. And I found this is actually much more efficient at getting impressions and actually generating subscribers for your channel. So this is the preferred method that I would highly recommend to generate subscribers and generate growth for any videos that you have on your YouTube. As you can see, I have another video here, but to create a new promotion, all you gotta do is click on new promotion right here, and then you can go ahead and select a video that's already on your channel right here. So you can do a short. So if you wanna boost a short, right? If you wanna run a YouTube ad for a short, you can do that right here, or you can select any number of these videos that are currently right here. So for example, maybe I wanna promote this video ad right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and select this. I'm gonna go ahead and select next. And then it's going to say, what countries do you want to advertise to? So for me and my business, I want to reach people that are going to be potential clients for me, right? And those people are typically within the United States and Canada. So I'm going to advertise to the United States and Canada. I'm actually going to open this up to the United Kingdom and Australia as well. Since why not? Those are pretty large countries as well. That would have my target ICP in there. I'm going to select English, and then I'm going to go next right here. And then you can see the budget. So you can set a total budget right here, and then you can select the end date as well. So it's going to allocate that. So what I would normally do is just do whatever Google recommends here, but you can reduce this if you want. And then it says promotions total budget should be at least $125. So maybe you want to increase it to that minimum amount. So let's do $125, and let's do the end date at the 15th is totally fine. And then you just click on promote right here, and boom. As you can see here, this is now pending, and this will get approved. And this is now going to be a new Google ad, and that's how you can boost your YouTube videos and promote them to reach new audiences and get more views and more subscribers for your channel. Again, though, these views will not count towards your partner promotion. And so these are paid for views, and it's a little bit different than actual organic views. All right, guys, it's as simple as that. That's how you can boost and promote a YouTube video using Google Ads in just a couple of steps in under 5 minutes. Hopefully you found that valuable. Hopefully you do this and get amazing results for your videos. I strongly recommend that you take your strongest performing organic YouTube video, and that's the one that you boost to get more impressions. If you try to boost a weaker performing video, you're probably not going to see great results. However, like myself, if you boost and promote a video that's more sales focused, that might actually get you clients for your business, then that's a great video to actually boost and bring new eyeballs to your channel. If you liked the video and you found it valuable, please make sure to hit that like button. It really helps a small creator like me grow. And also hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of the latest content coming out from me around digital marketing, digital advertising, and growing and scaling businesses online. Thanks so much, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.